Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add a profile picture in Hostinger WebMail, okay? So if you have been trying to change your profile picture in Hostinger and you click on this profile icon and you try to look for settings from here, or you click here on emails and you try it from there, I want to be completely honest with you regarding everything, okay? I don't like to make fake videos like other people I've seen making fake videos when I was searching for this. So here's the deal, okay? I did a lot of research on this as well, okay? Everywhere. And a lot of people also having the same issue. They don't have this functionality yet. I even checked their website. That functionality to change the profile picture is not there yet in Hostinger WebMail, okay? A lot of people have been trying to do this, but that functionality, as you can see, it's just not available. So I hope you do appreciate the honesty. If you do, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.